If you no longer need your Intuit QuickBooks subscription, you can cancel it by following these steps. Log into your QuickBooks account. Visit the QuickBooks website and log into your account using your username and password. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or your name at the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or Billing and Subscription. Find Subscription Information. In the Billing and Subscription section, locate the subscription plan you want to cancel. Cancel subscription. Select the Cancel Subscription button next to the plan you want to cancel. Follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. QuickBooks may ask for a reason for canceling the subscription. Choose your preferred reason or skip this step. Confirm cancellation. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation by clicking on a confirmation link or button. If you're on a free trial, your account will be cancelled immediately and no charges will occur. Check for confirmation. After cancellation, you will receive an email confirmation from Intuit QuickBooks confirming the termination of your subscription.